Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to read an essay on the horse. So let us begin. Horse is a very strong and speedy animal that is loved by all age groups. People enjoy riding a horse and it is highly enjoyable. It has 4 legs and a beautiful tail. The female horse is known as a mare. Horses are herbivorous animals. Horse carriage was a popular way of transportation when there were no motor engines. It is known as a smart animal and has a sharp memory. Horse lives in a stable. The sound made by horse is neigh. Horse is a very friendly and a loving animal. Thank you dear friends for watching my video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked my video, then do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.